Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up WhatsApp messages. So let's get started. First of all, you could open WhatsApp application and then you're going to click on profile here at the bottom right. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to your settings. So you're going to search for the setting of chats. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see chat backup. And then simply click on that. You'll be able to see backup now, auto backup that is turned off right now. If you want to turn it on, simply click on auto backup and you gotta select whether you want auto backup daily, weekly, monthly, or you gotta turn it off. So if you want your chats to be backed up daily, you gotta click on daily. If you want them backed up weekly, click on weekly. If you want them backed up monthly, click on monthly. If you don't want any backup, simply click on off. If you want to include videos, you got to toggle it on. And if you want end-to-end encryption as well, you got to toggle it on. And if you want to do backup just right now, simply click on backup now and all of your messages will be backed up. So that is basically how you can back up WhatsApp messages. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.